Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you add crew to your workforce. So make sure you're in the workforce section and then click on recruiting. So there's a couple of ways you can get people into your workforce, into your own database. The first one is by inviting contacts. So this is really useful if you already know you want them to be a part of your workforce. Typically you know them, you just want to add them to your database. So just pop in their email address, send them an invite. And as you see over here in the crew app, an example, crew receive an email. They open up the email. Within there, it's obviously got your logo. It's got a bit of information about Liveforce and what they can do with the app. Clicking join the team takes them through to a page where they essentially complete their registration by adding their details, agreeing to terms, and then they'll become an active part of your database. Another way is if you've got multiple people you want to invite in at the same time, you can actually download a Excel, which looks a little bit like this. You then fill in the information you have about your crew. Doesn't need everything, obviously email we always need. You can then import that file back into the system and it'll fire out all those email invites to the crew. The last way is, and this is really useful for when you want to recruit new people to your workforce. So this is people you maybe have never worked with before. You can use this link. Maybe you've got a button on your website saying, hey, do you want to work for us? Join the team. This is the URL you'd link to. It looks a little bit like this. There is obviously a tutorial showing you how you can customize this by changing the background image, logo, and text and stuff. But essentially, this is where a new crew would come. They start the application process here by entering the email, and then they're taken through the process of applying to become part of your workforce. If you're moving across from another platform and want to import more data, then feel free to get in contact. We do sort of custom imports for agencies moving from other platforms. So feel free to reach out through the help section or just get in contact with us at Liveforce, and we'll more than happily help.